What drew me to Master's of Science in International Business at the George Washington University, I wanted something that had a very strong ranking globally, as well as the study abroad opportunity to experience another culture. So it's the collaboration and that intersection.
What we hope to do is to educate the managers of the future. We're kind of taking on global challenges for U.S. multinational companies. We have lots of different experiences for students.
Just the international focus that is being provided and the hands-on experience on top of that I can gain a lot of value from.
They're not just learning abstract theory. Business school training should combine academics with practical information that can help job opportunities in the future.
All the things that we do for the students are helping them to develop these skills, to be able to take on problems, challenges that companies have where they have to come up with solutions, looking at novelty, innovation, sustainability, how to solve problems.
You're at the heart of DC, so you can really just walk around. You have the IFC, you have the World Bank, and people always say it, but it really is so true.
A lot of students want to do internships over the summer, or they want to do part-time jobs, so having international institutions nearby is a real plus.
Being right here in DC is just an immense opportunity for the students to interact with all these multinational organizations, think tanks, NGOs, the federal sector, etc. It's just, there's no way of replacing just the fact that we are located right here.
If you're looking for a place with really hands-on experience and connecting with students from all different cultures all over the world, then specifically the business program at GW is perfect for you.
Only at GW can I immerse myself in a global business environment, being in the capital of the United States, Washington, D.C., while also being able to increase my competency, my analytical thinking, and my critical thinking skills.
GW's got a lot to offer, and you should check it out.